other houses where the ceiling is this high in the other houses?
Nah, it was an older house. Usually, in a lot of the older houses, the ceilings aren't that tall. Newer builds, they need a, 15-foot jump off. But this one is one of the builders we've seen before. They all kind of look the same. I like it though. Good. So no bedrooms on this floor.
I heard it in the other house too.
Nice. I love these floors. That's what these floors are a lot of the new builds. This is something you don't see all the time. It's kind of weird. This is cool.
Alright.
Closet space. Alright. Big rooms. Jack and Jill up in here. I wonder why they call it Jack and Jill. Do you know?
What is this room?
First of all, but I call her as soon as I leave this house to see what's going on. She definitely ain't gonna be back.
Making stuff.
You say what?
Just making stuff.
Just making stuff.
What type of room is this?
It's the laundry room. Jesus, this bedroom is massive. Nice. Separate toilet. Got another high-tech shower. Nice. Man, this is plastic. Cabin on top of the counter. Matter of fact, I know I have. Floor to ceiling tile, all that place. Right there, lot. Beautiful. With an extra room on the side. What you gonna be in that room, man? Bruh. This is the closet. Bro, this is the closet of all closets. You good? Man, this is nice. Very nice size closet. It ain't nothing you can't put, boy. I'm talking about shoes, coats.
It's kind of simple to recreate.
It's simple, yeah, true. It's very simple, but it's the size that in the area you're paying for. You know what I'm saying? It's not like expensive material other than the floor and the marble. But
I could do something like this.
well, yeah, you can buy these from.
You can make it.
You can buy these from IKEA or Menards. It's not like. I'm telling you, it's the size though. You don't see closets this big ever.
I know, but it just gave me an idea.
Oh, what you about to do to your bedroom?
I could. I mean, it's not hard to make.
Well, let me see you do it then, bro. Show me what you talking about, bro. You're not even that much sweater than me. This is a very nice size bedroom, bro. Just look at the size of this thing. Crazy. And you got another room over here. Bonus room. What do you mean? Look at the other room. It's like 8 bedrooms here.
Well, like, in an instance that there was like a younger child or something.
No, we ain't gonna say so. 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms.
Wow.
It is a whole other house. It's crazy.
Could you make this into a rental? Like, if you had it, and like people rent rooms.
Oh, well, yeah, but
I mean,
people who live out here usually can't afford to buy a house. This house, a monthly mortgage on this is like
$20,000. Damn.
So you would be having to charge like
Yeah, they might as well just get their own house.
yeah, exactly. If you could pay $4,000 a month for just a bedroom, it won't make sense. But yeah. So probably feel like you have one though. You only got one water.
How much is this going for?
3.2.
They probably barely. How much do you think it took them to build this? Like $1 million max? $1 million?
About 1.5 million.
They tell you how much?
No, but to build a house is usually around $175 a foot. So if this is 9,000 square feet, 9,000 square feet times 175 is roughly like 1.5 or 1.57, somewhere around there. This is nice. This one definitely ain't as big as the other one though. The other one was 9,000 square feet. I went through the whole house in like 10 minutes.